What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Bitcoin, guys. We've had a little bit of a dump here, and we're coming back to backtest that support zone we dropped in yesterday's video. Currently, we're sitting at 41,984. We're down about 4.4% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 779 billion. 24-hour volume is 37.6 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto rolling app, my favorite app for investing. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So here's the 1 hour chart, guys. So you can see here, we came up and we created a slightly higher high and we created a lower high on the RSI, bearish divergence, and we sold off. And we've come right down to our support zone in between about 39.6 and 41.2K. Now we do have our technical target at 37.8K for Bitcoin. I'm going to pop it over to the 4 hour time frame. So you can see here we came up and we got rejected by the 55 EMA and we sold off. Now, if we stay in the support zone in between 39 and 41K, what can happen here is we create a double bottom. We've come down, we create a bottom, we create a second bottom. So if you do see us create a strong level of support here and we start bouncing back up, you can drop our neckline. And this would be a huge trade opportunity if this pattern were to play out. There is something else I want to show you guys here, and that would bring Bitcoin back up here to about 50.2K. So keep an eye on that pattern. If we create a strong level of support and you see it start to trend back upwards, that's when that pattern can play out. However, I want to show you guys the ABC correction on the daily. So you can see here that we've been going through an extremely similar pump followed by a similar ABC correction. Now this ABC correction came all the way down to the bottom of wave 2, which was down at about 28K. So if we're gonna shadow the ABC correction we just went through, then your bottom of wave 2 is coming down at 37.8K, which is also the target here of this head and shoulders. So I do think that's a possibility, guys, just due to the fact that we're basically mimicking the pump and correction we just went through. All right, guys, if we look at BTC on the weekly chart here, we are just holding the 21-week moving average. And I talked about in yesterday's video, if we do break below it and go down to 37.8K, I would expect us to bounce back rather quickly, get back above the 21 EMA and see continuation back to the upside. Because if we go into next week and we close next week's candle below the 21 EMA, that's very bearish, guys. If we stay underneath the 21 EMA, it's a signal that we're going to head into a bear market. So that's just a little quick update for Bitcoin. Keep an eye on that double bottom. If we're able to create a strong level of support in between 39.6 and 41K, we could see that double bottom play out, but we do have that technical target down at 37.8. Bitcoin is still looking extremely healthy. We're just seeing a backtest of support. Incredible time to dollar cost average into altcoins, into Bitcoin, into Ethereum, in my opinion, not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. You can see here on the hourly chart, we're trending into oversold. So I would expect us to see a little bit of a relief bounce or some consolidation here pretty soon for Bitcoin. All right, guys, if you'd like to trade Bitcoin, make sure to sign up to Bybit for up to $600 in bonuses. We have over 1,000 members in the Discord talking all things crypto, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.